Hello MSW students from Renison, and welcome to the ePortfolio PebblePad tutorial. First, I'd like to start by ensuring that you're on the correct page in our course for Learn. My name is Alice Schmidt-Hanbidge and I'm your course instructor. So if you go to the 9 blocks here at the top, you can select your course. And then you will go directly into the MSW Capstone Full-Time, Part-Time 2019. The home page will open. I'd also like to remind you that there are announcements, and please check there regularly, or you can subscribe to your updates and have them sent directly to you. So in order to access your ePortfolio template, the first step to do is to click on the Content tab, and you will find that a page opens with the table of contents along the left-hand side of your page. If you click on the MSW Capstone instructions, what you'll see, it's completing your MSW Capstone ePortfolio workbook. The instructions are here in the middle of the page. If you click this, it will open to provide a set of instructions that describe what your MSW Capstone course is about. And this diagram here will indicate all of the aspects of the course. So for your social work competencies for full-time students, there are 3 that you need to complete each semester. For part-time students, it will be 1 to 2 each semester. The progress updates are to indicate what capstone ideas you have and then to share your final idea for your capstone project. The About Me page is the first one that you'll be working on in your ePortfolio, and it's your introduction to everyone about who you are, some personal tidbits, likes, dislikes, perhaps what brought you to Renison. If you scroll down, you can see a description and step-by-step instructions to access the workbook. When you click on the ePortfolio workbook, you will have this pop-up that appears indicating auto share, and you have to click this little box to indicate that you agree to share your workbook with me. You will also be agreeing to share it with the fellow students in your class, but it will not be shared outside of your class. And then click the Continue button to move to the next screen. Below you can see what the open page looks like and that there are a number of instructions. Once you've finished reading the instructions on this page and have scrolled down, come back to this access point here that will take you to your own personal workbook template. So we'll click that, and that connects us with the PebblePad software. And here you can see a reminder to save. So I just keep this, you can either get rid of it, or I tend to keep it as it helps remind me to keep pressing the save button each time that I change something on the template. So what's opened here is your ePortfolio template. So I've created all of the pages for you, and you can see them across the top here. And it takes you all the way over to 9 competencies. Another way to see it is clicking on this content, and it will show all of the pages in your ePortfolio, and we'll go to the About Me page. As you can see, each page has a diagram, but you can add your own banner or photograph that you'd like to by clicking on here. You can add your name, or please add your name on each page, and this is the first description. As you can see, each page has a text box where you can complete it. And then you can add an image, a video, a paper, or any other kinds of files that you think would support what you've written about on that page. One piece to remember is that PebblePad has 2 parts to it. There is a resources side that includes all your templates. The other side is called an asset store, and an asset store is somewhat like an online file folder that holds all your personal documents. So in order to be able to include any images or videos in your ePortfolio, you first need to take that image and upload it into your online file folder in the asset store. Once it's in the asset store, then you can pick and choose and add the different images to your ePortfolio pages. And of course, always remembering to save. Once you've completed this first page, you will see there's a progress tracking button at the bottom. And when you've completed your page, then you will press or mark the page as complete, which will then show you your progress bar. And you can see here, there's your progress bar. At this point, I haven't completed any parts of my ePortfolio, but it indicates all the different pages that you haven't started them yet. I was just working on the About Me page. When it is finished, when you've checked this box over here, what will show up is complete. And that also lets me know that that page is ready for me to review it. You will be able to add comments here in this text box, and you'll be able to add that on yours. I can also add comments on your workbook pages, and eventually you'll be able to add comments to your peers in your class. You can close this one. And so these are the basic steps to be able to complete all your pages. If you can get started on your About Me page, that's the first step. I won't be checking your ePortfolios on a daily basis, but certainly on the due dates at the end of the semester. If you have any questions, please email me at ashanbid@uwaterloo.ca. Or we can also arrange a phone call, or if you'd like to walk through it together, I'm happy to do that with you as well. Thanks very much and good luck.